Oil on my face? Hindi ba nakaka-pimple yan? Hi guys! Today we're talking about something golden and glorious for your skin. Castor oil. Thick, luscious, and full of promise. Pero teka, pwede nga ba ito sa mukha? Or will it clog your pores and cause breakouts? I remember the first time I held a bottle of castor oil. Gusto ko na siyang i-apply all over my face thinking I'd wake up glowing. Pero biglang naisip ko, wait lang. Is it this too thick? Hindi kaya ako magka-pimples dito? Let's break it down. Castor oil is non-comedogenic with a rating of 0 to 1. That means it's unlikely to clog your pores or cause breakouts. In skincare, comedogenic means a product that can block pores and leads to pimples and blackheads. Kaya kung oily or acne-prone ka, no worries. Castor oil is safe for most skin types. It deeply hydrates the skin without clogging your pores, which makes it perfect even for dry or mature skin. Castor oil is packed with skin-loving nutrients. Number 1, ricinoleic acid. It soothes redness and irritation. Number 2, it has vitamin E. It supports even skin tone and scar healing. Number 3, it has omega fatty acids. Locks in moisture and hydration. And lastly, polyphenols promotes a healthy, radiant glow. Kaya kung dry or mature ang skin mo, you'll love its moisturizing effects. Pero kung oily ka, use only for 1 to 2 times a week. Syempre, always patch test muna just to be sure it works for your skin. How to use castor oil? Number 1, moisturizer before bed. It keeps skin soft and hydrated overnight. Number 2, makeup remover. It gently dissolves makeup without harsh chemicals. Number 3, facial cleanser. It works as a mild, nourishing cleanser. And lastly, eye care. Dab around the eyes to help with the fine lines. And tip lang, a little goes a long way kasi sobrang tipid nito gamitin. And if you want to use it as a mask, try this DIY castor oil mask. Number 1, you need 2 tablespoons of castor oil, 1 egg yolk for zinc and vitamin A, and lastly, 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Mix well and apply for 15 to 30 minutes and then remove with warm cloth. And after that, follow up with your favorite moisturizer. So ayan, kahit thick and rich ang castor oil, it's non-comedogenic. Safe for most skin types, hydrates, supports glow, and won't clog your pores. Just make sure to use a high-quality version. If you're ready to try it, make sure it's pure, organic, hexane-free, and bottled in amber glass. I personally use the Queen of Thrones Organic Golden Castor Oil, trusted by health professionals worldwide. Kung nagustuhan mo to, like and subscribe for more skincare tips na easy to follow. Bye!